will take me to heaven. If we were to ask certain Muslim leaders nowadays in these groups like ISIS and Al Qaeda and Taliban and the Shahab and Boko Haram and going on, what do you think they would have said? What will take me to heaven, sir? Oh, it's easy. Strap on this bomb and go amongst these citizens who are infidels and blow yourself up. You'll go to heaven. Or pick up this arsenal of weapons and go fight, and destroy them. And if you die again, you go to heaven. This is the message we're now hearing. But I ask you to listen to what the prophet of God said when he was asked directly, what is the way to heaven? He said, as you would have people do to you, do to them. And as you dislike being done to you, do not do to them. This is enough principle for you. Now go and act upon it. What do we call this in all faiths? What rule is this? The golden rule. In every single religion, I've read so much scripture, Torah, Gospels, the Gitas, you name them, it's all there. You must treat the other like you want to be treated yourself. That's the positive way. Or at least don't treat the other the way you would not want to be treated. Now step back for a moment and look at all what we've seen in the last 10, 15 years or so. Coming from extremists and terrorists and radical jihadists. And you would ask a single one of them, excuse me, sir, do you want to be blown up today? Can I shoot you? Can I rape your wife? Kidnap your daughter? Can I destroy your home? Bulldoze your neighborhood? Bring down your government? Can I do any of this and shout, Allahu Akbar, God is great, and sometimes justify all what I'm doing to you and make you feel this is good? Keep doing it. Would any one of them have said, yes, 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 yes? And we realize why that golden principle is truly golden. I lived first in San Francisco as a missionary, and folks said, Golden Gate Bridge, can I get a ticket there? I said, yeah, but the gate is not made out of gold. Come on down. Golden principle. We are to live our lives by this, and this is the essence of every single religion. The prophet then, before he left this world,